Hello guys, this is Nilesh Kamble and in this video we are going to see how to troubleshoot issue related to Windows cannot access a specified device path or file error in Windows 10 computer. So let's suppose if you are not able to access this folder and you have to right click on this folder and then click on properties. In the properties you have to click on security, and in the security you have to select the user account from which you have logged in into the computer, and then you have to check the permissions if you are having the permissions or not. So we have to click on advanced, and then in the advanced click on the add, and in the add you have to click on select a principal. You have to click on advanced, and then in the advanced you have to click on find now. Select any of the user and press E on your keyboard, and then you will get everyone group over here. Click on this group and then click on OK. Click on OK again, and then in the basic permissions you have to select full control over here and then click on OK again. Click on apply and then click on OK. So once you follow these steps you will be having permission on that folder or that device or that particular file. So that's it for this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button, please hit the subscribe and press the bell icon to enable notifications for future videos. Thanks and bye bye.